Guys, today we're going to be showing you how to get chicken Shelly in Andy's World RP in Builda. So when you're loading, you're going to press English. So then you're going to want to go to the tunes and then press Shelly. So then go to tune runs. Then you're going to want to go to, you're going to want to go to, alpha tune. You're going to want to go to, you're going to want to go to Gigi's room. And this is not Goop's room. And over here, there's going to be wishing coins. Where is it? Right here. Takes the coin. Next, I got a wishing coin. So then, you're going to want to have to go to the park. Then you're going to want to, you can run to the wishing fountain. Okay. Wishing coin drops. I wish to be a dinosaur. Wish granted. I feel really different now. Am I a dinosaur now? You are still in your chicken form to become an actual dinosaur. You need to evolve to become.